And the trash collection continues. And this area, oh my God, I just had to stop and show this one. Silk Reflection, Silky Sheer Thigh Highs. Do you have any idea how long it's been since I've worn hose? I don't. But I guarantee these things would probably be rotten if I took them out of the package. But here they go, in the trash bag. And that, my friends, is the result of about 5 minutes of trash time. Okay, that and right here. And this is the resulting trash. Okay, this little white bag doesn't look like much. Oh my gosh. That is full of all those toiletry items. Little tiny things. It's very heavy. Success.